my channel where we tackle challenges head on and find practical solutions. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you 5 powerful steps to help you solve any problem that comes your way. So let's dive right in and get those problem solving grades turning. The first step is solving any problem is to clearly define and understand what it is. Take the time to analyze the situation, identify the root cause and break down the problem into smaller, manageable parts. Ask yourself questions like what is the issue and what are the specific challenges I'm facing. By getting a clear picture of the problem, you'll be better equipped to find a solution. Information is power when it comes to problem solving. Research, gather data, and seek different perspectives to gain a comprehensive understanding of the problem. Explore various resources, consult experts, and collect relevant facts and figures. The more information you have, the better equipped you'll be to come up with effective solutions. Now it's time to unleash your creativity. Brainstorm as many potential solutions as possible without judgment or criticism. Encourage yourself to think outside the box and consider all possibilities. Remember, no idea is too crazy during the brainstorming phase. Once you have a list of potential solutions, evaluate each one based on its feasibility, effectiveness, and alignment with your goals.